Hello, my fellow Wastelanders. This is your good friend Yoda36 out here in the Wasteland. So let me show you how to get Carl Arms laser pistol without having broken steel. First, when you want to start off, very the same. Just to prove that I have not started the quest yet. See, there is Jefferson Memorial not activated, and take it back right there. But it says prepare for battle, so I've not started the quest yet. So go over to setting. You see the Jefferson Memorial right there. You want to walk on over. Walk on over to. If you have broken steel, then you can just get the pistol after you kill him, because the game will continue. But if you don't, and then the game will end. And if you want his armor or his weapon, then and you don't have broken steel, then you just don't want to pay for it. But I have broken steel, but apparently I don't have it. I have it, but the game thinks I don't have it. Alright, so you want to walk over to this laser field right here. You want to go towards the see the laser fields are up. That means I have not completed the quest yet. Alright, you want to come right over here to this little corner. Before doing this, I recommend saving in case you get stuck, like you glitch and you're stuck right there, because you really don't want that to happen. Jump right here. It's rather difficult to do, and then you just jump right over. Like that. See, here I am inside the force field. Now once inside the force field, go up this little ramp. There'll be an Enclave officer and 2 Enclave soldiers. They will not attack you, but you can actually talk to them. For some reason, Fox is here. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why he's here. In fact, why is he here? I don't know why Fox is here, but here are those 3 Enclave people. They'll say hey there, and then they'll say bye. Alright, so friendly conversation. There's the officer. Really old guy. Alright, so here I am inside the force field. This is August 2006. I don't know what the day is. August 6th, 2012. So they're not gonna patch this glitch anytime soon because they're too focused on the Fallout 3 online and all that stuff, and so-called Fallout 4. This is really hard to control with one hand. So I just walk around these guys because I can't fight them with one hand. There we go. Just deal with the guards. I dealt with the guards. And then you walk into this room. Alright. You should be standing right here. As you see, it says he's standing right there, but he's not. He's actually right in here. See, there he is. I just don't know how to get him out. There's right there. He's making his way back here. I just locked him out. And then, you gotta let him out. And then he walks right out. Alright, here's one important thing. Do not talk to him. If you talk, let me show you what happens if you talk to him. I recommend not talking to him. Because if you talk to him, then the doors will lock and you'll be stuck in there. Like, watch. See, it'll be just like the story. I'll show you. And then it'll shoot at you a little bit more. And once you kill him, here's the guardian angel who's wearing the exact same clothes as him. Apparently you can talk to him. You're not locked in. Alright, so you just search him, get his ammo, and his uniform. As you can see, he did not have his pistol in his inventory. You gotta find where he dropped it. It's right here. And then just take it. Because he'll not have it in his inventory. You search him. Here's his uniform. Energy weapons and small guns was 5. And here is his laser pistol. It's the best laser pistol in the game. It's much better than Smuggler's End. In fact, Smuggler's End is a piece of shit. And here it is. Yeah, and it's rapid fire, so I find that pretty cool. It's a rapid fire laser pistol. Like Smuggler's End. And that's how you get Colonel Arms laser pistol without having broken steel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.